All right, guys. Today, you need to get out your writing that you drew on Friday, so your problem poster, and we're going to add a little bit to it if it needs it, and then we're going to start a new problem, okay? So let's take a look at my poster. If you remember, the problem was the trash being on the floor, okay? It stinks, someone could trip, and it makes the room dirty. Okay, so I think I'm going to add the word trash to this trash can so that people know where to put it. Trash. Okay, and then I think I'm done with this poster. So I'm going to start a new one with a new problem. Okay, this one I'm going to write about people not wearing their mask. Okay, they're not wearing their mask like they're supposed to. Some people might be wearing it, but it's not covering their nose or their mouth, okay? So this is their mask, okay? And it's got the little band for their ears, okay? But this is not how you're supposed to wear it, right? We're going to draw another person wearing their mask down here at their chin. Is that how you're supposed to wear your mask? No. Okay, one more. Okay, this person is going to be wearing their mask over their nose and their mouth. Okay. Now, I need to show my readers who are reading the poster that this is the right thing to do. So I'm going to put a big check mark over this one. Okay. This one is not what you're supposed to do. That's a problem. Your mask isn't covering your nose. Okay. This one, your mask is on your chin. But this one, your mask is over your nose and your mouth, so this one is being worn right. Okay? I told you what my problem was. Now, why is it a problem? Well, because germs can still come through your nose or out your nose. This one, germs can come out of your mouth and your nose. But this one is the right way to wear it. Your nose is covered and your mouth. Okay? So get started on your poster.